stories. Be sure to tune into the Saturday edition of CBC Toronto. It's at 6 o'clock, and of course you can always get your latest local news anytime online. Just go to cbc.ca/Toronto. Here's a look at the weather forecast now for Toronto, Hamilton, and Niagara. Today, cloudy skies and a few showers beginning this afternoon. There's also a risk of a thunderstorm, and temperatures holding steady near 21 degrees. For tonight, showers and a low of 18. And for Peterborough and the Kawarthis today, mainly cloudy skies. There's also a 40% chance of showers this afternoon and a high of 22.
You're listening to CBC Radio 1, 99.1 in Toronto. This is DNTO, which today stands for Dark Nighttime Orchestrations. I'm your Mistress of Darkness, Suk Yin Lee.